Hey YouTube, JW. Got a new knife in the mail the other day. I'm going to take a first look at it with you guys. It is my first Opinel knife. Let's get to it. It is the orange number 7. Comes in this little cardboard sleeve. Packing peanuts in there. This is made in France. Inox Opinel. It has the safety ring here to keep the blade from closing up on you. It is 4 inches closed, 3-inch stainless steel Inox blade. These handles are orange Beechwood. I wanted to get an Opinel for a while. For some reason, when I look at knives online, they always seem like they're gonna be bigger than what they are when I get them. But that's because they make some really big Opinels. But this one fits right in your hand, really good. And got a nice grip to it. Solid construction. These Opinel knives are very old designs, and this is my first, not my first Inox knife, but it's my first Opinel France. I like it. Really cool looking knife. I like the orange. They got blue, red. I just like the orange, so I got it. Fit and finish on it is really good. Pretty cool. Be a nice little utility knife. There's no blade play there. You can see that wood in there, and it's just cool because it's got a totally different type of construction than really any other type of knife. And let's see how sharp it is. Sharp enough to get the job done. So there it is. A quick first look at my new Opinel number 7. The orange Beechwood. Pretty cool. I like it. Thanks for watching.